How to fix Snapchat camera zoomed in. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First we just go to Snapchat and open it. Or first, before you open Snapchat, you have to open settings of your phone. Then you have to go to apps or applications, and on apps or applications you will search for Snapchat. Then when you found Snapchat, just open it like this, and you will scroll down the screen and click on storage and go to the last button here, clear data, click OK. Back again and go to force tab and click OK. And that's it guys. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.